from Designs by Shell. Today I have a project for you. It's a little mini clipboard with an optional treat package. Now this is not my original design. I saw this, the clipboards done by the Posh Paper Lady is what she goes by on YouTube here. And she had done some little mini clipboards and she did hers for Valentine's Day. And they're a little bit different, but the basic idea I got from her. So I will put a link to her YouTube in the description box below, so you can go and see how she put hers together, and you'll be inspired and get some more ideas there. And so what she started with was some chipboard. So just a piece of chipboard, and for what I did here, I covered the front in scrapbook paper and just glued that on. And then I sponge painted the back of mine, and I just used this little sponge dauber there for that. And this little, let's see, it's baby pink acrylic paint. And I just kind of lightly sponged that on the back. I think she left hers just plain on the back, but that's optional. I just thought I'd finish mine off that way. I used some pretty kind of cotton lace trim. This one actually had little hearts on it, so I thought it was kind of cute. I used that and I glued that around the top. I'll take this apart for you here. So I glued that around the top and on the back as well. And let's see, then the next step was to use some notes, and I just used a pad of Post-it notes and I cut them down to fit the little clipboard size. Now this depends on whatever size chipboard you have, on the size of note paper you would want to add. And I just did about 4 sheets of that, and on each paper I added some stickers. This particular one I'll just flip through for you. Let's see. So it says note on the front with a little gold heart, just a little pink and white polka dot on the next page there, a little gold heart on the corner of that one, and a star on that one. Now you could use whatever you have in your stash. All of these things are just things that I've had. I didn't buy anything new for this project or anything. So yeah, so this is the planner pad that I used. Let me get that out of the way. Here, it's Let's Planner, it's called, and then it just has all these different stickers in it. So I just went through there and used what was appropriate. And so once I did that, let's see, well, I used the little binder clips to attach that on here. So this is a kind of a metallic pink one, so it goes well with that. So there's the little notes. And then I packaged up some little chocolate coins here. Let's see, I just bought this little package. I caught my eye when I was at the grocery store. I thought, oh, I could do something cute with those. So that's just the gold coins, and they happen to have red hearts on them, which was kind of nice. So I used those. So I just put a couple in a cellophane bag, closed it up with some washi tape. This is some metallic washi tape. And then these were longer cellophane bags, and I cut them down to fit these, and then you can just slide it right under here like that. I thought those would be really nice little you know, gift ideas, maybe for teachers or co-workers. Could see that on their desk, you know, it'd be really cute, little clipboards. Here's the second one that I did here. Now this is just different paper, and I didn't do these like really too frilly because I wasn't, you know, you don't know who you might be giving them to. If it was for a woman and she likes blingy, you could put more fancy paper on here, but this is just sort of basic. It's just a floral blue on here. And this one I sponge painted blue on the back and did the lace trim around the top, front and back there. And then added the little stickers in here on the note papers. Just, there's an arrow on that one, a little asterisk on there. Oops, I guess I forgot. There's an extra one. There's a star, but we can add one to that. So I've got this ready right here, and we'll add a little gold heart on there. There, so that one actually has 5 sheets of paper, but this was a bonus. So there's that. And I had a third one started here. And so this one I think I've added all the stickers on the note papers, like so. And then sponge painted the back of that one as well in the blue. And I've got the little gold chocolate coins here in the cellophane bag. So we'll just close those up, and I've got some silver metallic washi tape for this one. So what I did is just fold it down like so. Just put the washi tape across like that. Oops. Make sure you got it lined up before you stick it. And then use some little scissors and trim it. And then we'll just attach it under the binder clip on this one. And there you have it. So there's some little cute ideas for you. It's pretty quick to put those together. So I hope you enjoyed that, and go visit the Posh Paper Lady too and get some more ideas for packaging them up. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.